Ever heard of a bank that fits in your pocket? No, not a piggy bank, although those are pretty cool too. I'm talking about a mobile bank, an app that lets you manage your money entirely from your phone. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's already a reality for many people, and Lunar Bank is a major player in this digital banking revolution. But before you download the app and start swiping your virtual debit card, you might be wondering, is Lunar Bank even available in my country? That's a great question, and the answer might surprise you. So, buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the world of Lunar Bank and its geographic reach. The rise of the mobile mavericks. First, let's rewind a bit. Traditional banks have been around for centuries, those imposing brick-and-mortar buildings with rows of tellers and mountains of paperwork. But the world is changing, and the way we manage our finances is evolving too. Enter mobile banks like Lunar. They ditch the physical branches and offer a completely digital experience. Think about it, checking your balance, making transfers, paying bills, all from the comfort of your couch, or even that long line at the grocery store. It's convenient, secure, and often comes with some pretty cool features like budgeting tools and AI-powered financial insights. Lunar's Nordic Nest. Now, back to our main question, where can you actually use Lunar Bank? Here's the key, Lunar currently operates in the Nordic region, specifically in Denmark, Sweden, and Norway. This makes sense, these countries are known for their tech-savvy populations and embrace of innovative financial solutions. Lunar has carved a niche for itself in this market, attracting over 900,000 users with its user-friendly app, competitive features, and focus on making banking fun. Yes, you read that right, fun. Beyond the Nordic borders? So, what about the rest of the world? Is Lunar planning a global takeover? Well, there's no official word on international expansion just yet. But the world of banking is constantly evolving, and who knows what the future holds. Maybe Lunar will become a household name everywhere, or perhaps it will remain a champion within the Nordic region. The takeaway, keep your eyes peeled. While Lunar Bank is currently limited to the Nordics, it's definitely a name to keep on your radar. Mobile banking is exploding in popularity, and Lunar is at the forefront of this movement. Who knows, maybe they'll be offering their services in your country soon. In the meantime, if you're in Denmark, Sweden, or Norway, and you're looking for a modern way to manage your money, Lunar Bank might be the perfect fit for you. But for everyone else, stay tuned, the future of mobile banking is exciting, and Lunar could be a major player in it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.